and away we go. So I'm off downtown, dressed in my casual because today we're going to lunch with the KPMG recruiter Rigel, me and my consulting team that we won the case comp last month-ish. So now we're getting our prize today. So yeah, looking forward to dining. Hey Gavin! So Gavin just walked across the street without knowing that we didn't. So we finished lunch with Rigel and Carrie from KPMG. Here's Cindy. Hey Cindy! What's up? Hey Gavin. Yo, she said not to walk. Yo. So, just finished lunch and we're off to Eaton Center to meet up with Rebecca. How did you guys like lunch?
It was good.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was sick.
What was the name of the place you went to again?
Mercata?
Yeah. Oh yeah, right there.
It's a free advertising. Free advertising.
Shameless publicity. There we go.
Even though we're not sponsored.
Yeah.
You need to have that disclaimer at the end. It's like, this video is not sponsored.
This video is not sponsored by that restaurant, but it would be amazing if it was. Hey, that's a... Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at that running away. Yo, that was actually so freaky. They smell your food, Rebecca. Oh my god.
Or maybe
that
was
great
your
timing.
berry banana.
You think birds are after that or my berry banana? Come on.
Jesus, man.
You actually run away because of the bird?
Yeah, I was running, man.
That's hilarious. It flew right here. I did not expect that.
I saw it. Look.
Yo, good thing I caught that right on the table. That's
What
funny.
did you do? You hit it?
No, I mean, like I recorded the bird landing here. I didn't hit it.
Oh,
why would I abuse the bird?
Did you
That's
catch me
awful.
running?
Huh?
Did you catch me running?
No, I didn't catch you running. I catch you like all the way over there. That's hilarious.
I was like, yo, sorry about that.
Right at the base of BMO building. That's daunting height. Oh yeah, KP is right. Peeking around the corner.
I wasn't just trying to catch you.
Beautiful water wall. Right now it's like dusk, and you could tell from my drive home, but through the window, the sun's like at a point where it casts such a nice eerie orange. So when my blinds are like partly closed, the camera doesn't really do justice, but like it illuminates my room in a very soft orange tone. Here it just looks like it's normal light, I think, but in person it looks very like serene almost. I like it. If only I could spend the rest of my life in my room, right? But no, yeah, I'm a bit tired right now because I just spent 4 hours standing during my shift. I want to see Godzilla tonight, but Leanna says she's not feeling well, so I'm going to have to find out if she wants to or not. But first things first, I want to eat some dinner. And here we enter Ultra AVX. Godzilla! Yo, this hallway's like blue. It's like waiting for us. Avatar. Transformation. Okay. I'm excited. You excited? Get ready to face the monstrosity of Godzilla. Here we go.